Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of English grammar, and in this video we are going to explain about chapter number 10, and chapter name is What is Happening Now. Chapter name is What is Happening Now. So student, in this chapter I am going to explain about the action that are happening at the time of speaking or action that are happening at present time. So student, first of all you have to look at this example. Read these examples. I am reading a book. Here we use ing to the action word because the action that is reading are happening at the time of speaking. So in action word you have to use ing, and if we add ing to the action word, that it means that the action are happening at the time of speaking. Now look at next. Jay is walking in the park. So student, here Jay is walking at the time of speaking because in action word there is ing added, so it represents that the action are happening at the time of speaking. Now look at next. Khushi is running up the stair. It means Khushi is running at the time of speaking, and running represents that the Khushi are running at the time of speaking. Now look at next. Sonia is sleeping. Here ing in action word, and it represents that Sonia is sleeping at the time of speaking. Now look at next. It is raining. Here raining represents that the action are happening at the time of speaking, because if we use ing with action word, then this ing represent that the action or the work are happening at the time of speaking or at present time. So student, now look at next line. The action words show that the action are happening at the time of speaking. The colored words show that the action are happening at the time of speaking. Look at this colored word. Colored word is I am reading, is walking, is running, is sleeping, is raining. So student, here reading. In first sentence, I am reading a book. Here reading represent that the person are reading at the time of speaking, because if we add ing to the action word, then it represent that this work are happening or this work are happening at the time of speaking. Now look at next. Zay is walking in the park. Here is walking is a colored word, and this colored word represents that the Zay is walking at the time of speaking, because there is a ing with action word. Next, Khushi is running up the stairs. So student, here there is a use of ing with action word, and ing represent that the Khushi are running at the time of speaking. Khushi are running at the time of speaking. Now look at next. Sonia is sleeping. Is sleeping. In action word there is a use of ing. So ing represent that the action are happening and Sonia is sleeping at the time of speaking or at present time. Look at next. It is raining. Here it is raining. Is raining is a colored word, and this word represents that the actions or works are happening at the time of speaking. Here it means raining is happening at the time of speaking. Now look at next. Look at the table. Look at the table. So student, first of all, you have to look at this name. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. And this is the auxiliaries verb. You, is, am, and are. And there's an action word. In chapter 10 and in chapter what is happening now, we use action word plus ing. So student, we use is with singular person, singular things. Here he, she, it, and we always use is with he, she, and it because is used with singular person, and when we are talking about only one person, and when there is only one person, place, animal, or thing, then we use is with them. And when we are talking about ourselves, then we use I am with them, am with them, and we always use am with I. Now look at next, you, we, and they. Here, student, we always use are with you, we, and they because you, we, and they represent more than one person, and you, we, and they represent plurals. So student, we always use are with plural. And after that, we use ing with action word because the action ing represent that the action are happening and the work are happening at the time of speaking. So student, let's repeat. We use is with singular person and we use is with one person, place, animal or things, and he, she, and it represent only one person, so we use is with them. And when we are talking about ourselves, then we use am, like we always use am with I. And when we are talking about more than one person, place, animal or things, then we use are with them, like you, we, they represent more than one person, then we use are with them. And in action word, we always use ing to the action word because when we are talking about when the action are happening at the time of speaking, then we always use ing with action word. So student, I hope you all understand about this table. Now look at next. Now read this sentence. So student, here you have to read this sentence. Seema is eating. Second, he is eating. Third, is eating. Fourth, is eating. Next, I am eating. Am eating. And next one is you are eating, are eating. Next, we are eating, are eating. Third, they are eating, are eating. So student, in this sentence, there is a person, animal is eating at present. This sentence tells us that the person or animal is eating at present because in every action word there is a use of ing with them, and ing represent that the action or the work are happening at the time of speaking. So student, I hope you all understand about chapter number 10. Chapter name is what is happening now, and you have to read and you have to learn the rules and the chapter number 10. You have to learn about chapter number 10 and this is your homework. That's all, and